So here, as you can see, these are old bricks, which shows there were some huts, small huts, buildings here, which were built for sorghum preservation to make traditional beer for ceremonies, for rain-making ceremonies. So it was built here. It was here. And people would gather here and beat drums, celebrating and doing ceremony, rain-making ceremony. You can see these bricks here. There was a building, a small building here. You can see. This is like the foundation. You can see clear. So this is a brick. These ones. These ones. These ones. So the traditional ceremony were happening here. And this flower here, look at this flower. It's also a heritage flower. So when it's raining here, it produces some other flowers like the lily flower. It also comes out here. It's flame lily. Yeah, I got it. This is the one which is dry now. You can see the seeds inside. It's dry now, but when it's raining, it revives, brings the fresh flowers, the flame lily fresh flowers.